Dear students, welcome to lecture series on second chapter family. This is session 18 in which we are discussing about what are the issues and challenges of modern family. Let us begin with a brief introduction. Family is a commonly regarded as an important social institution. It is a nuclear family which is called as modern family. Family has undergone a radical changes in the past half a century which has been faced with various problems and challenges in modern society. These factors are social, economic, educational, legal and cultural. Modern families face a number of challenges which has been discussed here. In this view, you can look into the challenges and the issues faced by modern family. ಆಧುನಿಕ ಕುಟುಂಬಗಳನ್ನು ಎದುರಿಸುವ ಸವಾಲುಗಳು ಹಾಗೂ ವಿವಿಧ ಅಂಶಗಳು. Let us discuss about the issues and challenges of modern family. Challenge of impermanence. Nuclear family consists of two generations. The demise of any one member of the family, either husband or a wife, leads to impermanence. The transition of cultural tradition from one generation to another is doubtful. Another important challenge faced by modern family is the crumbling of family property, which gives an opportunity for the division of family property. The fragmented land does not yield much economic production. As a result, the land is uneconomic. Weakening of the family norms. In the past, family membership was so important that the family controlled the system of rewards and distributed them. Once status was decided on the basis of family status. But today, the modern industrial economy assigns opportunities on the basis of special training and skills irrespective of the family and other relations. These modern families are philocentric families. Modern nuclear family is not a group of blood relatives. It is constituted of husband, wife and children. Parents are less authoritarian in nature. The wishes of the children determines the policy of the family. These families are called philocentric families. Economic function has been declined. Family has ceased to be an unit of economic production. Economic functions performed till now has now been taken up by other organizations such as corporate companies and multinational corporations and other organizations. Family has not remained a unit of production. Divorce and desertion. Family was a fairly uncommon in a traditional family system, but in modern society, divorce rates have steadily increased. Marriage is no more a sacrament, it has become a civil contract. In the recent years, dowry has become one of the most essential consideration of marriage of girls. It has been prevalent, cutting across the boundaries of caste, religion, community, region, even though it is a punishable offense despite being increasingly practiced. Individualism. Modern nuclear family is given a more freedom and individuality to its members. Rising individualism resulting from modern industrial development becomes breakdown in the traditional institution of marriage and family. The conflict between the parents and the children has been arising. Among the challenges faced by modern family, the conflicting situation between the parents and the youth has been on rise. Marriage, occupation, education, love has led to conflicts. It has led to conflict between the traditional values and it has changed the entire value system. Another important challenge has been urbanization. More and more number of people have been attracted with urban way of life and recreation, which has posed a challenge to modern family. The impact of the urban way of life has led the family and unstable. Influence of the economic independence of women. Women have entered into work outside the family, increase in the literacy rate of women, marriage, occupation have influenced on women's independence. There is a lack of laxity in the influence of religion and mores, which is significant in the modern family. Marriage has not remained as a sacred union, it has become a contract, losing its traditional value and sacredness. Let us conclude. The structure and functions of a family have tremendously changed over a period of time, which has posed a number of problems and challenges. Some of the traditional and the non-traditional challenges posed as a threat to existence of family. Polygynous marriages, gender equality, restricted widow remarriages, child marriage, dissolution of marriage are some of the issues and challenges faced by modern family system. The traditional family system has changed and led to development of a single parent family. These are some of the list of reference books for your further readings. Thank you.